Students, let's do this question. We've been given integral e raised to the power of root of x times cos of e raised to the power of root of x divided by root of x times dx. Now what I wish to do is I would like to let e raised to the power of root x be equal to some t. Now I need to differentiate both sides. So if I differentiate this is going to be e raised to the power of root of x times differential of root of x. Now what is root of x? Root of x is nothing but x raised to the power of half, right? Now when you differentiate this is going to be 1 over 2 x raised to the power of 1 over 2 negative 1, which is nothing but 1 over 2 times x raised to the power of negative half, which is nothing but 1 over 2 times the root of x. So this is going to be 1 over 2 times the root of x times differential operator dx. This is equal to dt. So I can clearly substitute this and this to be as dt, right? So this is equal to dt cos e raised to the power of root x is going to be t. So you got integral cos t dt. What is integral cos t dt? Integral cos t dt is sin t plus arbitrary constancy. You don't have to place it now. Just replace the t with the e raised to the power of root x. So this is going to be sine of e raised to the power of root of x plus arbitrary constancy. So that will be the solution to this question.